ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यासः सत्यम्। एकनिमिषम्। $57 in Sanskrit is?
57 in Sanskrit is, I will tell you. So it is going to be Saptapanchashat.
Satyam. Saptapanchashat.
Saptapanchashat.
And 56?
Shashtapanchashat.
Is it?
No, it is
Shat Panchashat. Shat Panchashat.
Yeah, Shat Panchashat. Yes, Shat Panchashat. Saptapanchashat, Shat Panchashat. Yeah, not Shashta, Shat.
सुंदरजी भवानेव कृपया पठतु क-शब्दानि।
Okay, so let's read. आयतः देशांतर से आगत. So from some other place he has come. I guess. निर्यातः देश से बाहर गया हुआ. He's gone out of the place.
मतलब
विनिमय
इनका import and export. मतलब export and import. Sorry, import and export.
Yeah,
हाँ.
Import and export, correct. Then विनिमयः बदलना, change.
एकनिमिषः। अत्र आङ् उपसर्गपूर्वक आयातः। अत्र आङ् उपसर्ग, अत्र निरुपसर्ग, अत्र वि नि उभय। वि उपसर्गपूर्वक नि उपसर्गपूर्वक मी धातु and then there is घे प्रत्यय. So sorry, in विनिमय there is अच प्रत्यय. Here there is आयातः, there is निष्ठा प्रत्यय. आयातः निर्यातः, there is निष्ठा प्रत्यय. And then in विनिमयः there is अच प्रत्यय. एरच सूत्र विनिमयः. Then पत्रवाहकः. Sorry, अग्रे सुंदर पत्रवाहक.
Then पत्रवाहकः डाकिया.
हाँ, तो अत्र
पोस्टमैन.
हाँ, पोस्टमैन. अत्र समासः अस्ति, प्रत्ययः अपि अस्ति. कस्मिन् समासः अस्ति? पत्र means? पत्र means
letter.
हाँ.
And
okay, first we'll do pratyaya. Vahaka, there is
कर्मधारय होगा.
no Harihi Om, not Karmadharaya. Vahaka, there is nul pratyaya in Vahaka. Right? Vahaka. So the person who is Vahana in that sense. The person who is taking the Patra. Patra Vahakaha. So now what will it be?
okay.
Not Karmadharaya. So
the person who is taking it. So
is it upapada tatpurusha जहाँ पर
it is one tat, which tatpurusha is correct, not upapada. Some tatpurusha is correct. It is the most common
जैसे
tatpurusha.
धर्मज्ञ and all है वैसा नहीं, not like that.
Like that you can say. See, look, it is patrasya vahakaha, the person who is taking letters. Vahaka of patra. Patra letter, the one who is taker of letters. That is that. Shashti Tatpurusha. Now, why is it not Karmadharaya? In Karmadharaya, there will be two shabdas. They'll both be in the same Samana Adhikarana, same Adhikarana, and they'll mean the same thing also. Like Mahan Atma. The person who is Mahan and Atma. Or Mahadeva. This is an easy one. The person who is Maha as well as Deva. You can say Mahadeva. It has to be Samana Adhikarana and they have to speak of the same thing. Then it is Karmadharaya Samasa. Astu Agre Sundarji.
Next one is Utkochaha. Goose, is that a bribe?
Bribe. Here there is no Ghai Pratyaya. Ut upasarga purvak kuch dhatu Ghai Pratyaya. Kuch has become coach. Kochaha.
Coach. Then Kusidaha, soothe, interest. But there is ku. Ku akshara is there, so it is seen in a negative light. Negative manner.
See, today everything has some kind of comment, pratyaya, something is there. Kusidaha, again, interest. Then?
Okay. So, if you get a discounted rate, can you use the word susidaha?
Yeah, I get. No, look, interest is kusidaha. Discounted rate is not susidaha. No.
I mean, if you get a discounted rate, if you get a favorable...
It's a good question. But susida is not... I've never heard this word, susida.
Okay.
But it's a nice idea. It will be something like just the price reduction and things like that. It'll just be a discount. Discount, there is a word, right? Discount.
Right. Okay. That's fine. Now, like they say, bank employees get a preferential interest rate. Like that.
Okay.
Anyway, Abhiyo Mukadama, that is court case, I guess.
Lawsuit, Mukadama. And Abhi, and then again Ghai Pratyaya. Here also there is Ghai Pratyaya. Abhiyogaha. Astu. Then Vakil.
Okay. Then Vakil, of course, Vakilaha. Vakil, lawyer. Nyayadishaha, judge. Nyayalayaha, court.
एक निमिष. एक निमिष. Vakila, Nyayadisha, Nyayalayaha. There is some samasa. In all three, it is the same samasa. Which samasa?
बहुव्रीहि अन्य और न्यायस्य आलयः और मे बी तत्पुरुष.
Which tatpurusha?
प्रथमा तत्पुरुष न्यायस्य आलयः षष्ठी
tatpurusha. Satyam. Prathama tatpurusha is karmadharaya because samana adhikarana. Shashti tatpurusha. And bahuvrihi requires anyapada. And there is no anyapada, yes. No chance of bahuvrihi. So Shashti tatpurusha is correct. Vakila, Nyayadisha, Nyayalaya, same as Patra Vahakaha, similar to that. Agre, Sundarji.
Okay. Then Dinaraha Asharfi.
Dinars. Now also the same word is used, dinar only, in the Gulf countries, etc.
Middle East, Gulf countries, yeah. Apanaha, Dukan. Okay.
Shop.
Panaha,
Paisa.
Yeah, Panaha, Paisa.
Same dhatu, but here ang upasarga purvak is apanaha, shop. Then?
Okay. Nanakam, note. A note. I mean, paper money.
No, paper money. Is this a Hindi word? Note is note a Hindi word? Yes, paper money, nanakam, actually could mean even coin. Like in the Dravidian languages, it can mean coin, nanaka, nanaya and all that. but
बट इन
it is
हिंदी
paper.
आपके पास 100 रुपये का नोट है और इससे मेरे
हाँ,
पास 500 का नोट है.
but वो colloquial हो गया ना. Is actually is not actually really a Hindi word. I don't know.
I don't know, but इस अध्याय में ऐसा है.
हाँ,
like
वैसे
किसी
दिए हैं.
court, judge,
हाँ,
हिंदी words.
right. They have given this.
They have given न्यायाधीशः को न्यायाधीश without उपसर्ग, without विसर्ग, but they have given a judge. So this whole अध्याय is a little bit like that.
No, but
Visarga is
न्यायाधीश
there.
हाँ है ना. Where विसर्ग?
Judge is not a Hindi word, na?
That's okay, but न्यायाधीशः में विसर्ग नहीं दिया वो कहाँ
No,
से?
no. न्यायाधीशः का, if they had given a Hindi translation, then they, instead of judge, उन्होंने न्यायाधीश देना चाहिए था ना?
अच्छा, हाँ हाँ, ठीक है.
Like that, जैसा नोट है वैसा ही वो जज एंड कोर्ट वो सब भी शब्द हैं.
Right.
What I'm trying to say.
Okay, sure. Okay. अस्तु अग्रे सुंदर. हाँ
वादी,
हाँ
मुद्दई. I guess Vadi means the person propounding, like you say, Charvak Vadi or
right. Somebody who is putting
So,
forth
Muddai.
something. हाँ, and then Prativadi.
putting forth a particular viewpoint. And Prativadi, Muddha Leha.
These two, I think, are Urdu words, na? Muddai and Muddaleha. Like in the court of law, they can mean plaintiff and defendant.
Correct.
One who is accusing and one who is defending. Vadi, Prativadi. अस्तु अग्रे.
Then Rupyakam, Rupaya, Rajatam, Chandi, Silver, Upanetram, Chashma. So spectacles. So Upasarga. Netram.
Upanetram.
Yeah, then Kashtapattam, Takta. Takta bench, I guess.
Like
You
a
can sit.
or like a throne, like a wooden throne kind of thing. Kashtavatam.
Kashtapattam.
So before
So that
the
finishes Ka.
so Ka Shabdani all Sanya are over. Here just for a refresher. Ayata is Ang Upasarga Purvak. Dhatu is there and Taha is Nishtha Pratyaya.
Nishtha.
Niryata Nishtha Pratyaya. Vinimayaha. Vi, ni dhatu. Yaha comes from this which pratyaya? Ach pratyaya. Thank you. Ach pratyaya. Through sutra erach. Patravahakaha we saw there is nul pratyaya. Nul trichau of nul वहाँ पे nul trichau sutra. Then utkochaha घय pratyaya. अभियोगः घय. वाक्कीलः न्यायाधीश न्यायालय विसा षष्ठी तत्पुरुष. पत्रवाहकः षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः. षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास. आंग उपसर्ग पूर्वक. See in one just 20 maybe shabdas there are quite a lot of complicated shabdas today. अस्तु अग्रे सुंदरजी भवानेव ज्ञा धातु. all धातवः.
Yeah. Jna dhatus. Jna, janana, to know. Pratigya karna, to state your position. Avagya, tiraskar karna, to oppose or to refute.
Or even to insult, to disrespect. There also you can say avagya.
Disrespect. Anugya, agya dena, to instruct.
Instruct
Abhigya.
or even permit. Permit also.
Permit also. And abhigya, pehchanana, to recognize.
Right. Or धन्यवाद. सूचना प्रथमा. We'll see this first. प्रतिज्ञा के रूप आत्मनेपद में ही चलते हैं. प्रतिजानीते. Everything else will be न्या धातु के दोनों पदों में 10 लकारों. दोनों पदों न्या धातु. But only प्रतिज्ञा will be only in आत्मनेपद. We see that now. आयातपन रामवत पुल्लिंग. न्या अभिज्ञा न्या के तुल्य. प्रश्न का अस्ति कोस्ति.
Akarshi, in the Gita, this Kaunteya pratijanihi comes. 931.
Right.
I
Name
think.
bhakta pranashyati. Hana?
That one. So pratijanihi, how will it fall?
It's a good question.
Normal,
Kaunteya pratijanihi.
because if I just say jano, then that is what? Jano would be in load atmanepadi.
Right. Janihi is only lot madhyama purusha ekavachana, right? Janihi. Parasmay pada. But here they have said pratignya ke roop atmane pad mein hi chalte hain. That's a good question. I don't know the answer. We have to check. We have to check why Bhagavan says pratijanihi and not pratijanishva. You can say kaunteya pratijanishva potentially for no, that wouldn't make a difference. Even as chanda, kaunteya pratijani, it is only the seventh. So seventh can be dirgha. So whether Bhagavan says janihi or janishva, it does not make a difference. So why he chooses to say janihi, we'll have to see. I'll check and tell why it is like that. But this is a very nice question. If you find the answer, let me know also. Why kaunteya pratijanihi and not pratijanishva? न्या धातु पृष्ठ क्रमांक what is this? Okay.
184.
Asyu Sumanjay ji कृपया पठतु because you brought this up very nicely. Parasmay and Atmanepada for lat, lot, lang and vidhiling.
लट लकार परस्मै पद जानाति जानीतः जानन्ति जानासि जानीतः जानीतः जानामि जानीवः जानीमः आत्मनेपदी लट लकार जानीते जानाते जानते जानीषे जानाथे जानीध्वे जाने जानीवहे जानीमहे लोट जानातु जानीताम जानन्तु जानीहि जानतं जानीत जानानि जानाव जानाम लोट लकार आत्मनेपद आनी जानीताम जानाताम जानताम जानीष्व जानाथाम जानीध्वम जानै जानावहै जानामहै
लंग अजानात भवाने
अजानात अजानीताम अजानन अजानाः अजानीतं अजानीत अजानाम अजानीव अजानीम लंग आत्मनेपद अजानीत जानाताम अजानत अजानीथाः अजानाथाम अजानीत्वम अजानी अजानीवहि अजानीमहि.
And vidhiling.
Okay. जानीयात जानीयाताम जानीयुः जानीयाः जानीयातम जानीयात जानीयाम जानीयाव जानीयाम. आत्मनेपद विधिलिंग जानीत जानीयाताम जानीरन जानीथाः जानीयाथाम जानीध्वम जानीय जानीवहि जानीमहि.
सम्यक, धन्यवादः. There is some explanation for pratijanihi pratijanishva. I'll check after our session and let you know, but somebody has explained it some way quickly actually. Anyway, lit lakara न्यास्यति न्यासजा न्यासन्ति न्यास्यसि न्यास्यतः न्यास्यथ न्यास्यामि न्यास्यावः न्यास्यामः. And आत्मनेपद न्यास्यते न्यास्यते न्यास्यन्ते न्यास्यसे न्यास्येते न्यास्यध्वे न्यास्ये न्यास्यावहे न्यास्यामहे. Before that, nya has become ja. This is nya dhatu. Nya is here. But for lat, lot, lang, vidhiling, it has become ja. There is a sutra. Anyone remembers?
Yes. Yeah. Nyor jano ja.
Close. Very close. Nya janor ja.
Nya jano ja. Okay.
Very nice. Samyak. Because it's come a few times, right? The last couple of months. Nya to ja. Nya and jan, these two dhatus, they get ja adesha. So that is why nya dhatu will become ja, janati. In that. This sutra number I don't know. You have to check. Lut lakara, nyata, nyatara, nyatara,
Can you
nyata.
please spell it out, Akatji? Nya janor ja.
Hanji, nya janor ja. We'll check it out.
Okay. So refa on ja, right?
Yes, refa on ja. This one, 737, what is this, 9. Ja jan iti etayor ja desho bhavati shruti parataha.
Okay.
And Laghu Siddhanta anuyojar desh anuyor jadeshah syat chiti. Anayor jadeshah syat chiti. But this is better. Kashika said clearly. Nya jana iti etayoho jadesho bhavati. Agree. Ashiling, Nyayat, Nyayat, both are possible, but in Atmanepada there is something called Siyut Agama that makes it Nyasishta, Nyasiyastam, Nyasiran. Ring Lakara, Agnasyat, Agnasyatam, Agnasyan, Agnasyata, Agnasyatam, Agnasyanta in Atmanepada. But if you notice, Nyajanorja is working for the lat lot lang vitiling. So there is a difference between Sarvadhatuka Lakara and Ardhadhatuka Lakara. Lit. Jagnyau, Jagnyatuhu, Jagnyahu. This maybe we have seen in some Upanishad. Jagnye, this one, of course. Jangire. In Atmanepada, Bahuvachanamana.
Pushya Sukta.
Yeah.
Pushya Sukta, right?
Yes,
Yes,
yeah, 3 or 4 times there it comes, right? Jagnyau, okay, first we'll see Parasmapada. Jagnyau, Jagnyatuhu, Jagnyahu, Jagnitha or Jagnatha, Jagnathu, Jagnatuhu, Jagnya, Jagnyau, Jagniva, Jagnima, and Lit Lakara Atmanepada, Jagnye, Jagnate, Jagnire, Jagnishe, Jagnate, Jagnidve, Jagnye, Jagnivahe, Jagnimahe. Purusha Suktam, it does come, and in other places also, Jagnire. Anyway, it is Atmanepada, Prathama Purusha Bahuvachanam. Lung Lakara, Agnasit, Agnasishtam, Agnasishuhu, Agnasihi, Agnasishtam, Agnasishta, Agnasisham, Agnasishva, Agnasishma. They have given Agnasishya, I think here. This is a mistake. It is not Sakara, it is Makara. Agnasishma. Agnyasta, Agnasatam, Agnasata, Agnastaha, Agnasatam, Agnatham, Agnasi, Agnasishvahi, Agnasishmahi. Or Agnasmahi, Agnasmahi. Anyway, this is Nya Dhatu, Nya Janor Ja. Agree. In today's Abhyasa, they are giving pratyayas relating to a few vibhaktis. In Ashtadhyayi 5.3.1, from there are some sutras relating to different vibhaktis. Those are given here. First, they are given only 2 vibhaktis, Panchami and Saptami. Panchamyas Tasil 537, Panchamyas Tasil. Acha, before that, when there is a sutra for the vibhakti, like here in Panchamyas Tasil, there is something called this Tasil pratyaya is happening, and it will become Taha, right? When it becomes Taha, these all will become Avyaya Shabdas. Yataha, Tataha, Itaha, Paritaha, Sarve Avyaya Shabdani Santi. That vibhakti, the pratyaya is making the vibhakti Rupa into Avyaya Shabdas. Panchami vibhakti ke sthan par Taha प्रत्यय शेष, प्रत्यय होता है मतलब प्रत्यय शेष रहता है. जैसे कस्मात विल बिकम कुतः, कहाँ से. इसी प्रकार यतः, यतः अर्थ हाँ यहाँ से, और ततः
वहाँ से.
हाँ, एनी श्रुति फॉर ततः? ततः परम तत् परिमार्गितव्यम इन हाँ संश्रुति और
remember ततो युक्त परिश्रांत समरे that thing.
This Aditya Hridayam, है ना? Aditya Hridayam, I think. First. Tato Nishchayato yato nishcharati. There also Bhagavan will use tata. Many places. Very common. Itaha. यहाँ से. जहाँ से, वहाँ से, यहाँ से. Yataha, tataha, itaha. What is paritaha? Sorry, what?
दोनों ओर से, from both sides.
परितः is सब चारों ओर से. And अभितः?
must be दोनों ओर से.
हाँ. उभयतः is from both sides. परितः सब all ओर से, चारों ओर से. And अभितः?
Very circumference.
Okay. Right. That's a good way to see. Paritaha, yes, you can say like circumference or like fence around the house, like that. That's good. And abhitaha?
Across.
Abhitaha, across, but also all sides. And samantataha?
Equally everywhere.
Everywhere. So what is really the difference? Paritaha, abhitaha, samantataha, everything is all sides, everywhere.
Now, then top and bottom must be included in samantataha.
Then sarvataha?
Samantataha has lesser either.
Daso dishaएं would be samantataha.
Yeah, maybe you can say that. Sumanjay ji, you are saying samantataha means lesser what?
As lesser parichheda is less parichhinna than avitaha or paritaha, that way.
So what about sarvataha?
Sarvataha, same thing, I would say.
Yeah, they all
My
mean,
guess, I'm guessing it.
it is a correct guess. I mean, they're all the same only. They are all everywhere, all sides, etc. Generally, paritaha, like Abaji said, that is correct. Like a fence all around, in that way, you can say. Abhitaha, generally will say in front of, or he's right there, like she's right here, abhitaha, in that way. But right in front of, so it is like everywhere. Samantataha, all sides, completely, comprehensively all sides. And sarvataha will be everywhere. All, everywhere around. Like how Bhagavan says in 13th chapter, right? Sarvatah pani padam yad sarvatah shishiromukam sarvato shishiromukam sarvatah shrutimalloke. That is sarvataha. Everywhere. Completely. Samantataha, comprehensively all around, like that. Like if you are in middle of crowd when in Kumbha where everybody is going for Amritsna, is samantataha. But paritaha is the sort of boundary.
Yeah, I would probably look at this to say that samantataha, paritaha, etc. It is seen from the viewpoint of the locus in the middle, where paritaha is like there is no locus. It is everywhere. Sarvataha would also mean Sarga and everything all put together.
No, yeah, sure. Based on the locus, like based on what is in the middle, whether it is right around or all around or in front of, behind, etc. Sure, that way is possible. Yeah, sure, we can understand like that. And ataha is not.
Ataha means hence.
Hence, correct. So, but it is not direction based, right? It's everything else is direction based. Hence, like how in Sanskrit for the word because we use yataha, like that ataha, therefore. From this, itham will be in this way, itaha, ataha. Itaha, from here, yaha se, but ataha, acha, therefore, hence, in that. From this, we know that. Like how in Brahma Sutra, so many sutras end in Panchami Vibhakti. Ataha. Janmadyasya yataha. Tattu samanvayat. There's many, of course, in Panchami Vibhakti later on also. So this is that atah. Agratah. Agratah.
In front, right?
In front of, before, in that way, agratah. Abhitaha, I think I said agratah. Abhitaha, you can also say closely, like something close but around, surrounding, closely surrounding. Paritaha, like fence circumference. Samantataha, comprehensively. Sarvataha, everywhere. Sarvataha, everywhere. Ubhayataha, दोनों ओर. मत्तः त्वत्तः. मत्तः मुझसे, त्वत्तः तुझसे. मत्तः परतरम नान्यत किंचिदस्ति धनंजय. That मत्तः. त्वत्तः Kamalapatraksha. I think Arjuna says, or maybe that is a different word. Asmattaha yushmattaha. Hamse or tumse. There is a sutra here that says why asmattaha ke individual amsha will become mattaha and yushmattaha individual amsaha becomes tvattaha. We had seen this at the beginning of Brahma Sutra. And that asmad, yushmad asmad pratyaya gocharayoho, that thing had come. Yushmad and asmad, that Purvapakshi had said, but yushmad and asmad, you can just talk individually, right? Like it will be an individual thing like that they had asked. So there is that Purvapakshi's question was based on a Vyakarana rule. There is a Vyakarana sutra, Pratyayottara Padayoscha. Pratyayottara Padayoscha. That sutra is talking about this Yushmad Asmad being like, collective, and this Mattaha Tvatta individual. So that Purvapakshi said, so when you say Yushmad Asmad, what do you mean? And so on. Pratyayottara Padayoscha 7-98.
What was the number?
7-98.
Okay.
Is my voice breaking? Should I change Wi-Fi?
Breaking for me, if I cannot see the screen properly. I have the book, no worries about that, but the voice sometimes seems to go. I don't know what about others.
It is breaking, it is hazy, but when you change, it is also like that.
No, I have not changed yet. So maybe it will be different than every day.
I'm saying in the past also,
Sure.
Whenever there was a change, the situation did not change.
Okay.
So what I'm trying to say is, जो है चला सकते हैं.
So network at Sarvataha.
Sarvata. All networks are equally good or bad, whatever.
I think there are only two Ubhayataha situation. So
Ubhayataha. Sure. Devil or Deep Blue Sea, basically. Because both are pretty bad. But I hope it'll get better. If the problem sustains, if it continues, let me know and I will change to a different one. We can try. The other one is sometimes reliable. Panchamyastasil 537. Saptamyastral 5310. This is for Saptami Vibhakti. सप्तमी के स्थान पर त्र, जैसे पंचमी के स्थान पर ताहा. दिस इज फ्रॉम तसिल, दिस इज फ्रॉम त्रल. तसिल प्रत्यय, त्रल प्रत्यय. त्र प्रत्यय शेष रहता है, होता है मतलब शेष रहता है, जैसे कस्मिन कुत्र. इसी प्रकार अत्र, यत्र, तत्र, सर्वत्र, अन्यत्र, बहुत्र. दिस इज ऑल प्रीटी इजी ओनली. अत्र, यहाँ, यत्र जहाँ, तत्र वहाँ, सर्वत्र सब जगह, अन्यत्र दूसरी जगह, बहुत्र बहुत स्थानों पर, वगैरह. Did the voice break during Saptamyastral?
No.
Okay.
no.
Great. अस्तु. नियम 100 षड्शीतिः. 186. 100 षडशीतिः. षट् अशीतिः. 186. Prakaravachane thal. So now there is a new pratyaya, thal. Thal pratyaya comes when there is prakara vachane. प्रकार अर्थ में सर्वनाम शब्दों से था प्रत्यय होता है, थाल होता है, ता प्रत्यय शेष रहता है। जैसे तेन प्रकारेण तथा, उस प्रकार से। सो इट इज सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक द तृतीया, पंचमी, सप्तमी, एंड नाउ मे बी यू कैन से तृतीया, बट नॉट टेक्निकली। यू जैसे प्रकार वचन है, दैट इज द राइट लैंग्वेज। तथा, उस प्रकार से, इसी प्रकार, यथा, इस प्रकार से, सर्वथा, उभयथा, सो सब प्रकार से, दोनों प्रकार से, अन्यथा, अन्य प्रकार से, नहीं तो। That's why in many of our granthas they will use anyatha shabda for not that. And there are only two vikalpas. If it is not one vikalpa, it is the other. वैसे अन्यथा। इत्थम और कथम में था की जगह थम लगता है। So this is actually like an apavada. This इत्थम and katham, because it's not itha, right? It's not itha or katha. It is itham and katham. The prakara vachane thal is sutra number 5323. The next two sutras 24 and 25 are for itham and katham. This is that idamasthamaha and kimascha. So if you see 5325, sorry 23, prakara vachane thal. Next sutra 24, idamasthamuhu. 25, kimascha. Kimascha is for kena, will become katham, and idamasthamuhu will become, from anena will become itham. Did the voice break during prakara vachane thal?
No.
Okay.
It's fine.
No.
It's like, you know, like how the Google spies on our phones. Maybe the Wi-Fi is spying and suddenly started to work properly when we complained. Ekashatam saptashitihi, 187. Sarvaikanya kim yattadaha kale da. When we are talking about kalavachika shabdas, then we get da pratyaya. जैसे सर्व आदि शब्दों से समय अर्थ में, इन समय अर्थ सर्वदा, सदा, एकदा, अन्यदा, कदा, यदा, तदा।
Bahudha.
Bahudha. That is different. That will come next. That Bahudha is in the next niyama. Why is it different? Because Bahudha, the is there. Here there is all the. So kalavachika shabda da, but sarvai kanya kim yattadaha. So all of these, sarva, ekada, sarvai kanya kim yattadaha is sarva, eka, anya, kim, yat, tat. Sarva, eka, anya, kim, yat, tat. For those 6 shabdas of kala, there is da. But when there is sankhya, what happens with numbers? This is sarvai kanya kim yattadaha kale da is 5315. Sankhya vidharte dha, very common, especially in Kailas ashram. Acharyas, that in hall, in rooms, everywhere, they love this sutra. Always they keep asking, which sutra for dvedha, tridha, chaturdha, panchadha. Like in Tarka Sangraha also, some of these shabdas come. Then sankhya vidharte dha. संख्यावाची शब्दों से प्रकार अर्थ में धा प्रत्यय होता है। 5342 धा प्रत्यय, जैसे एकधा, एक प्रकार से, द्विधा, 2 प्रकार से, त्रिधा, 3 प्रकार से, चतुर्धा, पंचधा, बहुधा, अनेक बार, many times. So tridha, chaturdha, 4 times, 3 times, etc. also. Shatadha, 100 times. Sahasradha, 1000 times. नाउ दिस एक बार है ना, एकदा एक बार. एकदा in English we can also say once upon a time. एकदा जैसे कहानी शुरू होती है तो जैसे वो एकदा एकम व्याघ्रम, एको व्याघ्रो आसीत् or whatever you can say. एको मनुष्यः आसीत्, सव्याघ्रः मनुष्यः आसीत्, so whatever, once upon a time. That was एकशतम् अष्टाशीतिः. एकशतम् एकोननवतिः, 189. Sorry, before we go to this one, any questions on all these pratyas? You see there is tasil, tral, thal, da and dha. 5 pratyas, 5 arthas. Tasil is for panchami, tral is for saptami, thal is for prakara, da is for kala, dha sankhya. 5 pratyas, 5 arthas, 5 words. Any questions, or can we go to the next one?
Yes, for idam का इदानीम अवरूप होता है, तो how is it becoming da is becoming?
Sorry, I'll ask you. Idam idanim apvad, then how da is becoming?
So how does da get used in idam and then idanim comes?
So first of all, that is not linked to this, because here there are these 6, you see. In Sarvai Kanya Kim Yatta Dadaha, there are these 6. Sarva, Eka, Anya, Kim, Yat, Tad. Idanim is not one of these. Or even Idam is not one of these. Idanim, that time will come, but that is not this sutra. There is another sutra actually for this. For idam to idanim. It is a well-known sutra. Idamor heel. The sutra that is after Sarvai Kanya Kim Yattadaha Kaleda. The one right after this, Sarvai Kanya 5315. Now the next sutra, 5316, Idamor hill is for Idanim. Where is this? अपवाद सूत्र only saptami anta kale ityeva. So saptami antat, you can say now idani. Asmin rehil etarhi idam rehi. And adhuna, you see, asmin kale, now, arthat adhuna. That is 5317. And the next one, 5318, danim cha, you see, idanim. Idam, asmin, danim, idam, danim, idanim, idanim. Danim cha is an apavada. For sarvai kanya kim yattadaha kaleda. 3 apavadas. Idamor hill, adhuna, danim cha. Is that okay or still not okay?
Clear to me now.
Tadodacha is an extension, not technically apavada. Okay. Any other questions on these 5? If not, we move forward. Idanim is connected only. It is not like outside of these 5 or anything. It is apavada of this one. So that's a valid question. Any other? If not, we'll go to last niyama. Okay. this complete sutra pramane dvayasach dadnan cha matra chaha. Pramane dvayasach dadnan cha matra chaha. 5 to 37. 5 to 37. 5 2 सप्तत्रिंशत्. प्रमाणे द्वियसच दध्नन् मात्रचः. दध्नन् मात्रचः. प्रमाणे द्वियसच दध्नन् मात्रचः. There are 3 pratyayas in this. In this one sutra, there are 3. Dvayasach pratyaya, dadnach pratyaya, and matrach pratyaya. Dvayasach, dadnach, matrach. Rachana Anuvada Kaumudi is going to speak only of matra. But just to know, all 3 are here. Pramana अर्थ में अर्थात नाप तोल आदि अर्थ में शब्द से मात्र प्रत्यय. नाप तोल, length, weight, even height, whatever, to measure something. मात्र, हाँ, measurements. जैसे हाथ भर is हस्त मात्रम, मुट्ठी भर मुष्टि मात्रम, कमर तक कटी मात्रम, घुटने तक जानु मात्रम. So हस्त मात्रम शाटिका is an option. हस्त मात्रम अंगवस्त्रम is option. Adho vastram, whatever. Those are all ways to describe that. Hastamatram vyomni tishtha, or whatever. Paratra tishtha. You go and stand at the measurement of a hand and all that. They will come in Napumsakalinga. Hastamatram, Mushtimatram, Katimatram, Janumatram, etc. There was one more point. Anyway, just as a summary, because we saw quite a lot today. Ayataha, Ang Upasarga Purvak, then Taha is Nishtha Pratyaya. Ayataha, Niryataha, both are Nishtha. Vinimayaha, how many Upasargas in Vinimayaha? 2. And Pratyaya? Ach. Erat Sutra, Ach Pratyaya. Patravahaka, Mool Pratyaya, Patrasya Vahakaha. Utkochaha, then Abhiyogaha, etc. are Ghai Pratyaya. Ghai. Correct. And Vakilaha, Nyayadisha, Nyayalaya, Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa, again we saw. Janorja. Panchamyas tasil. Tasil pratyaya is coming for itaha, kutaha, yataha, whatever. Saptamyas tral. Tral pratyaya is coming for yatra, tatra, sarvatra, atra, वगैरह. प्रकार वचने थाल प्रकार अर्थ में इस प्रकार उस प्रकार. सर्वैकान्य किम यतदः कालेदा. And there is apavada for प्रकार वचने थाल. There is apavada for सर्वैकान्य किम यतदः कालेदा. They have not given, but we saw. काल अर्थ में. And संख्याया विदार्थेदा संख्या अर्थ में. प्रमाणे द्वियसस दध्यन मात्र चाहा. 3 pratyas are there. They gave only matra because matra is more used. Matra is way more common than dviyasach and dadnach. We don't say hasta dvayasach, hasta dadrach. We say hasta matram or hasta dadram, whatever. So this matra is more common and given here. Any questions?
No.
Astu. Dhanyavadah. Tomorrow. Hanji, any question? So tomorrow is, there is no Sanskrit. It is not Anadhyaya, but we don't have Sanskrit. And day after, we will have again. There are 3 more days before Anadhyaya. So there are 2 Trayodashis this time. Today is Dashami, tomorrow Ekadashi break. 1 Dwadashi, first Trayodashi, second Trayodashi. 2 Trayodashis, we will finish up to Abhyasa 58. The next week after the Amavasya or Purnima, whatever is coming now, after that it will be this book will finish in 4 days.
And then Laghu starts immediately, or
No, there will be a break. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayadam Sutrabhashyagato Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murtibheda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om. हाँ जी.
ओम